Hello everyone, this is Parineeta. My topic is the action of alkanes by free radical substitution. So first we should know what is alkanes. Alkanes is an acyclic saturated hydrocarbon, that is carbon atoms are joined to each other by single bond, or we can say that alkanes are organic compounds that consist of single bonded carbon and hydrogen atom. The general formula for an alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. Properties of alkanes. A primary carbon atom is attached to only one other carbon atom. A secondary is attached to two others, and a tertiary is attached to three others. So now the topic is preparation of alkanes. How we can prepare the alkanes? We can prepare the alkanes by different methods. So the first method there is hydrogenation of alkanes. What we have to do in this reaction, we have to just react the alkene in the presence of nickel or palladium, and we will get the alkane plus hydrogen. And the second topic is reduction of alkyl halides. By reducing alkyl halides, we can easily get the alkanes. How? We can reduce the alkyl halides by Grignard's reagent. First, we have to prepare the Grignard reagent by alkyl halides. What we have to do, we have to react to the alkyl halides with the magnesium, and we will get the Grignard reagent. You can see in the reaction that Rx plus Mg gives to RMgx. Here RMgx is the Grignard reagent. When we react the Grignard reagent with H2O, that is water, and we will get the alkene, what we want. You can see in the example, we react the secondary butyl bromide with magnesium, and we will get secondary butyl magnesium bromide, that is the Grignard reagent here. And when we react this Grignard reagent with H2O, we will get the alkane, that is N-butane. Now the second topic, to reduce the alkyl halide with the help of metal and acid. What we have to do, we have to react the alkyl halide with metal and acid. Let example, we have taken zinc and H plus, that is representing acid here, and we will get the alkene. For example, we have taken secondary butyl bromide. When we will react it in the presence of zinc and H plus, we will get the N-butane. And the third method to preparation of alkanes is coupling of alkyl halide with organometallic compound. In this reaction, what we have to do, we have to take a alkyl halide, that may be tertiary, primary, secondary, and we have to react it in the presence of lithium, and we will get alkyl lithium. And when we will get the alkyl lithium, we have to react in the presence of CuX, and we will get the lithium dialkyl copper. And what we will get? We will get the alkanes. For example, we have taken ethyl chloride. When we reacted with lithium, we will get the ethyl lithium, and when react with it with copper iodide, we will get the lithium diethyl copper, and when we react it with the alkanes, we will get the N-heptyl bromide. And now some reactions of alkanes. First is the halogenation. When we react any alkanes with any halogen, we will get the alkyl halide and acid. The reactivity order of the alkane is tertiary is high, after that is secondary, and last is the primary. For example, we have taken the isobutane and we heat it in the presence of chlorine, and what we get? Isobutyl chloride or tertiary butyl chloride. Next reaction is the combustion. We have to put in, it is with the excess oxygen with heat, and we will get the carbon dioxide and water plus heat. And for example, we have taken NC5H12. When we react with oxygen, we will get the 5CO2 plus 6H2O. And the third is pyrolysis, which we also known as we can say that it is also known as cracking. We have to do is react. We have to heat the alkane with the catalyst or without catalyst. We will get the hydrogen plus smaller alkanes or alkenes. So the last topic is mechanism of halogenation. We have to study that how the halogenation works, how we get the products in the reaction of halogenation. Halogenation of alkanes processed by the same mechanism as halogenation of methane. It happens in 3 steps. First step is initiation. Initiation means starting. Propagation, that is in between. Termination, that we get the products. So first we have to do any halogen, we have to heat it or in the presence of UV light, and we just have to take chain initiating step. We have to convert it to x2 into 2x, and what we get the radical form of the halogen, and x radical. When we react the x radical with the alkyl halide, we get the HCl plus alkyl radical, and when alkyl radical react with halogen, we get the Rx plus halogen radical, and here we get the products. A halogen from atom abstract hydrogen from the alkane to form an alkyl radical. The radical in turn abstract a halogen atom from a halogen molecule to yield the alkyl halide. And we should know which alkyl halide is obtained depend upon which alkyl radical is formed. Suppose we have taken the CH4 methane, it will form methyl radical and will form the methyl halide. And if we have ethane, it will form ethyl radical and it will result in ethyl halide. And when we have the propane, it can be N-propyl radical or N-propyl halide, or maybe isopropyl radical or an isopropyl halide. The products depend on the reaction of tertiary and secondary. Thank you for listening the video attentively. Thank you so much.